Hello guys and welcome to this video about Gigi, your personal development AI employee. This is AI and let's go over the homepage. Sintra.ai is a website where you can get AI employees and every employee has different tasks. For example, Cassie is for your customer support, SEO is for all your SEO needs, and Pen is for copywriting, Comet for e-commerce, personal mentor, there's a salesperson like she's called Millie, and a social media manager. And you got many more. Let's first go over Gigi's features. That is the AI we're going over today. She plans your meals, she assists you with your studies, organizes your workouts, tracks your personal goals, offers motivational support and helps you plan your day. Included with Gigi are these tools. I will show you them right after. And this is also what you get with Gigi. Based on OpenAI's GPT-4 turbo engine, you get the customized brain where you have to answer all questions for the setup about your brand or what you want to achieve, and based on that it will give you output. The more specific you can give it input, the better the output. Let's go into the program. So here we are and let's go over the tools. So here's your meal planner, or they are called power-ups. The meal planner generates meal plans and recipe guides tailored to your preferences. So let's say I am vegan, I'm not, but let's say I'm vegan. And let's say I need to eat gluten-free, like it said right here before. And let's click on generate and see what it comes up with. Here we are. Here's the vegan and gluten-free meal plan. For day one, for example, here's the breakfast and what you have to do and the nutritional info. Here's the lunch salad with chickpeas, if I spell it out right. Here's the recipe and here the nutritional info. And here's the dinner and a possible snack if you want to snack. Here's the shopping list also, and also day two. And that's actually what it does. You can give it way more specific or based on a lot of protein. For example, if you train a lot, let's say see what it comes up with. Here's a personalized high protein meal plan: breakfast Greek yogurt, grilled chicken salad as lunch, and as dinner baked salmon, with also the nutrition and the weekly shopping list. That's it for the meal planner. Let's go back and schedule creator. Organize your schedule and plan your week efficiently. Let's say meeting deadlines and still keep time for my workout. Let's click on generate. Here we are. I got, for example, input for my YouTube channel. It's specifically on my own schedule and on the info I've given it. For example, research trending topics and apps, content planning and outline creation, lunch break, filming how-to guides and product reviews. Then I want the gym session, like I said, with the workout, and then audience engagements, comments and questions. And it does this for every day. And you can also make it longer, shorter, or give it more specific info right here, and it will get better on the go. And you can copy it here and also edit it. And here are some adjustments, for example, and tips for productivity. That's what the schedule creator does based on the info you have given it before. But let's go to the next tool, your workout planner. Create a personal workout plan to achieve your fitness goal in the available time. For example, build muscle and I want 1 hour a day. And here you can also give it custom instructions if you want to. Here we are, just a couple seconds later, the personal workout plan for building muscle. Weekly schedule: Monday to Thursday upper body, or Monday and Thursday upper body, then Tuesday and Friday lower body, and Wednesday core and cardio. Sunday is rest / active recovery, and here are some guidelines. Of course, you can make it more specific again. This is just a setup. If you want to say, for example, only 1 hour a day I have now, if you do like, for example, only Monday and Wednesday, it will only give you for Monday and Wednesday. That's the workout planner. And here's your study helper as well. You get assistance with study through notes and summarizing tailored to your learning goals. Prepare for exam. Click on generate. Here it is. You can also give it like weeks or a couple days based on the info again. Summarized notes, key concepts, diagrams, and highlight important terms. Structured study schedule: week 1, week 2, and week 3. Practical study tips, like use active recall by teaching concepts to a peer or explaining them aloud, out loud. Break study sessions into manageable 25-minute blocks with 5-minute breaks, and maintain a clean and organized study space to enhance focus. No distractions around you. And some additional resources if you want to, and interactive learning aids like Menopic devices and concept maps. That's about it for this tool. And these are the tools for your personal development. It can help you out, and the more specific you give it, the better the outcome, like I said. And also, if you go to the main page, you also have this with every employee you buy, for example. And the link is down below. It is an affiliate link, you don't have to do that. I will go over the pricing in just a second. And here's the Brain AI integrations. You also have integrations and can, for example, automate your social media post if you want to, or Facebook comments, and daily summarize your mail, for example, your email. Here you can send your questions, or you want any info on a topic for your brand, for example, or your personal development. Then you can type it right here and it will give you answers. Let's go over the pricing. Here's the pricing. Every employee is at the same price, for example, or you want to buy them all together. There's now a 50% off for Gigi. The one I've just shown you is the price $19.50 a month if you pay monthly, and if you pay yearly it's $9.75 a month. And if you pay them all together, it's $48.50 a month if you pay monthly, $29.50 a month if you pay every 3 months, and if you pay yearly it's $19.50 a month. If you buy, I think, 3 or more, it's more recommended to buy this one because it's cheaper. Guys, the link is in the description. If you have any question, please leave them below. I will try to help you out as much as I can, and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.